guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I am going to prepare my largest slime order yet. A girl ordered 600 rands worth of slime from me and it's absolutely crazy. I can't believe it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to make these slimes and decorate them and make big batches of slime, and how I'm going to package these slimes, and then how I'm going to decorate her order. So please go follow me on Instagram at glittacles.slime. I will link that down below in the description. And please subscribe and like this video. And comment down below if you liked it. I will be having lots of new YouTube videos coming soon and awesome content on my Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. So please go follow me for that. And then also I will be going on holiday in about 3 weeks time. Well, now it's actually 2 weeks. I posted the announcement on my Instagram, but if you didn't see it, I will be going on holiday from about the 20th of September, I think. So that's about in 2.5 weeks time. So if you want to place your order from me and order slime from me, please place your order before then, because I will be going on holiday and I won't be able to prepare the orders. You will still be able to place your order with me at the time. I just won't be able to make these slimes right away and send them off to you. I courier nationwide if you want to order, and my slime prices are 35 Rand for a small slime, which is 100 milliliters, and then 45 Rand for a medium slime, and then 60 Rand for a large slime, which is 250 mils. If you want to see all of the slimes that I sell, I will link that YouTube video below down in the description. I made a very nice and detailed video about all of that. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I always do when I get a slime order is I write all of the slimes that the person ordered into my little notebook. That way I can remember all of the slimes that they ordered and I won't get it wrong, and I don't have to check my phone each time. I can just open the book and look which slime I have to make next. So here are a few big containers in which I store big batches of slime. I was running a little bit low in these few clips, but I just wanted to show you guys how nice and thick and glossy my basic slime is. I really recommend buying this texture from me. Just look how the light is reflecting off it. It's so nice and stretchy and glossy. So please DM me if you would like to order some. My slime isn't sticky at all and it doesn't stick onto your hands. Basic slime is actually a very nice texture for all types of slimers, and it is very stretchy. It doesn't tear when you stretch it. So I have a very nice basic slime recipe. Also, if you want to see a basic slime tutorial, I will link that down in the description of my YouTube channel. And here we have the next batch, which is some clear slime. Clear slime is actually my favorite type of slime and my shop's specialty texture. Our clear slime is so good. As you can see completely through it. You can see my fingers, my nails, everything. It is so clear and it has such a nice texture. It's not sticky at all. And it is very stretchy and it's very thick. It's not very jiggly. And here we have another batch of clear slime. You couldn't even see there was something in the container. It's so clear. I like storing my clear slime in shallow containers. That way they clear up quicker. And yeah, during the weekends when I have free time, I will make big batches of slime and then store them, and clear slime I will leave to clear up, so that during the week when I get orders, I can just take this base slime and decorate it from there, and I don't have to make slime from scratch. So here is a guest room we have in our house. But I use the closets to store a lot of my slime things, like the boxes in which I put all of my containers in, some of my glues, and my packaging materials such as boxes and some gift wrapping paper and stickers. So it's a very nice closet and slime room for me to store of my things inside. So now that I have selected all of these different sizes of containers I'm going to need for all of the slimes, I'm going to check my book and see which slime I'm going to make first. So in my book I saw that she ordered a 4-piece random mini slime set, which I sell on my Instagram. If you want that, you can DM me. And it is basically 4 random mini slimes for 130 rand, and then I just use some random slimes that I have and I decorate them so pretty. And it's just, when you order these random slimes, then I just use my creativity and decorate the slimes any way that I feel like it, and it always comes out so pretty. Just look how pretty this clear slime is. It has so many add-ins in, and look at the shimmers, so beautiful. So in the past clips, I've now made 2 random mini slimes, and I'm going to go onto the third one. And here I took a very pretty gold pigmented slime I had, and this is one of the batches that I stored. And just look how awesome this slime is. It looks just like liquid gold. The shimmers are amazing. I would definitely recommend buying the slime for me. And if you want to see all of these slimes that I sell, I will also link that video down in the description of this video. The slime is so beautiful. So now I just plopped the gold slime into the container, and it looks so pretty. Now I'm going to go on to the next random slime, and this slime is so beautiful. It's a pearl pigmented slime with some glitters in it too, and the shimmers are so beautiful. It just reminds me of pearls that are under the sea. I just love it, and it has such a nice and thick texture. So nice. Here I have all of my 4 random mini slimes that I made for the order, and they all came out so pretty. I am so glad with the final containers. And now I'm going to go on to the next slime that she ordered. So here I saw that she ordered a Wish Upon a Star basic slime. Now this slime I've been selling in my shop for such a long time. It is a purple basic slime with some pink star confetti glitters in it. And this is just such a beautiful slime. Purple is my favorite color. So this is one of my favorite slimes, and it is very popular in my shop. So yeah, I definitely recommend ordering it. She also ordered one of my all-time bestsellers, this slime Marshmallow Crunch and Blueberry Crunch and Strawberry Rice Krispies. All of my crunchy slimes is just completely like selling out and everything. I don't know why people love my crunch. Well, actually, my crunchy slimes are quite nice. They are so stretchy and they don't have any bead fallout. So marshmallow crunch is basically a pink, blue, and yellow crunchy slime, and I just love it. And seems like you guys love it too. So I ran out of basic slime that I showed in the previous clips, that big batch. It is now done because I used it for the slimes in also the previous clips. So here you can see me making some basic slime with my mixer. I firstly poured in some clear glue and then some cream. If you want to see the basic slime recipe, as I said earlier, just watch the video in my description. So then I added some activator after mixing the clear glue and cream, and then I just continued adding activator to the mixture until the basic slime started forming. And as I said earlier, my basic slime is so nice, as you can see. Super stretchy, so glossy. I just love it. And I love making big batches. It's so much fun. And here I filmed a super fun clip. You guys probably saw it earlier on my Instagram because it took quite a long time to edit this YouTube video. But this is the first time I've done something like this, and it was so much fun. I love playing with big batches of slime. Definitely recommend buying it or buying some of my large slimes. So the girl also ordered one of my best sellers, unicorn fur, and this is also such a beautiful slime. I love it. One of my best sellers. And here is a medium unicorn macaroon slime. This is one of my newest slimes, and you guys probably also saw it on my Instagram. This has become very popular. It's a purple, pink, and blue basic slime with a clay unicorn macaroon piece. So cute, just love it. And here she ordered another marshmallow slime, and it's also so pretty. Then she ordered a mermaid tail slime for me, and you guys, this slime blew me away. It is a clear slime with some turquoise pigment in, and this came out so beautiful. The color shift was so beautiful. I love pearl beads and mermaid themed slimes. It has such an amazing texture. I definitely recommend purchasing mermaid tail from me. And with the mermaid tail slime, I also take a pearl pigment white slime, so it looks like a pearl, and I swirl that with the turquoise slime, and it creates a very beautiful effect. And then on top I put a few rainbow pearl beads, and this is just so stunning. I love it. Then I also add, of course, because the name is mermaid tail, I have to add some mermaid shells. So beautiful. And as a finishing touch, I added these very nice sparkle glitters on top, and also very stunning and shiny. And I find my slimes as an artwork. I put a lot of efforts in all of my orders and slimes in to make it beautiful for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Just look how awesome this is. And here she ordered my Galaxy Clear slime. This is another pigment slime. And you guys, this has been one of my best sellers for such a long time. I've been selling this slime since day one, and it is a purple, blue, and gold pigment slime to create a galaxy effect. And also one of my favorites. In this clip, you can see the glitters and the pigment just shooting past my camera. So pretty. then I take the different colors of the pigmented slime and I swirl them together to create a galaxy swirl, and this just reminds me of the Milky Way. It's so pretty. Definitely recommend buying Galaxy from me. And here are all of these slimes I have so far. So in the previous clips I just showed you guys how I made these slimes, and in these clips I'm going to show you how I decorated them. So this one was I think the marshmallow one, or this was sweet sorbet, not sure. And then I added some green glitter on top, so nice, and I added some scent. And this one is the random mini slime, and it also came out so beautiful. And this was that pearl pigment slime, added some pink glitter on top. This is the liquid gold one. It was already so shiny, didn't need anything else. And this was that Wish Upon a Star purple basic slime, so beautiful. And in this shot I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to package your order. So firstly I take the ready-made and decorated slimes that I made in the previous clips, and I'm adding my logo sticker on top. This is such a satisfying process and it is quite time consuming. So the stickers on top I make myself, I don't get them printed, but maybe in the future I'll rather let them printed, because also making them is quite time consuming. But by adding your logo sticker on top of your containers, it just looks so much more professional. And here I am packaging these slimes in bubble wrap. I always package them in bubble wrap, otherwise you don't know what the courier how rough the courier is being with these slimes. So I always bubble wrap them so they don't burst, and I wouldn't want that to happen. I always want my customers to be happy and enjoy their slimes. And here I finished bubble wrapping and sticking my logo sticker on top of all of these slimes, and I put it in the box. And you guys, she also ordered my DIY slime kit. This has also been very popular. I can definitely recommend purchasing it from me, and I will have a very detailed YouTube video on this slime kit super soon. You guys, this box was huge. This was so much slimes. I think she's going to have a ball of a time playing and mixing all of these slimes. So awesome. And as I said before, if you want to order, please DM me, and I just want to thank her for buying all of these slimes for me. It's so awesome. I love preparing orders for you guys, and because this order was so huge, of course I spoiled her. So in the previous clip you saw that I added a free slime for it. I always put the unicorn sticker on top of my free slimes, and on top of the box was the extra baggie, and that had a free bar one inside, and I always include an activator bottle, my care sheet, and free logo and unicorn stickers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will have so much more content coming soon. Bye unicorns.